I don't make hair. I can decide to market this sister that make hair because I don't know how to make hair. All I need to do is to, if I like her hair, like the kind of hair she makes, I can just decide to start marketing for her without her knowing. She tells me it's 10,000, right? I say, okay, no problem. I start marketing to people and I tell them it's 20,000. I collect the job, I give to her, she delivers. She's happy, oh, I go deliver. So what am I saying? There are graphic designers all over the internet. So you can actually go on your Instagram. I'm already showing you the secret too, and check for graphic designers. Since you want to be on that line, and check for graphic designer. It means not only graphic designer. You can check for anything you are interested in, anything you know you can talk about very well, anything you know that you are good at in that area. Check for people that are already good at it and find out their price. There was time, there was a time, literally, I used to beg people to handle their Facebook. Let me handle it. My brother in South Africa, I've been begging him. Let me sell your course. He has an online course, Udemy. Very good guy in IT.